Hello everyone, I'm Brian Hansen with B&C Industrial Products. Today I'd like to show you a couple of the different brake styles that we have to offer here at B&C. First I'll start with is a cam style brake. Now these brakes will actually, when activated, will actually compress the sides of the caster forks against the sides of the wheels. These are offered in light duty, sometimes seen in store fixtures or rack displays, up to the heavier style. We get them in 2-inch wide, also a cam style brake for those. We also have side lock brakes or top lock brakes. And same thing here is we offer 1.25 wide, also 1 inch wide, 1.25 wide, 2-inch wide. When the brake pedal is activated here, when you step down on the brake pedal, it actually drops down and presses against the wheel, preventing the wheel from rolling. Still allows the caster to swivel, but it does prevent the caster from rolling. Same thing with the 1.25 wide. Use your foot to activate it, activate the brake, presses down the top of the wheel, prevents the wheel from rolling. Now, all of these brake styles that we're showing you today are considered holding brakes. It's not like a car brake where you take a moving load or cart and go activate the brake. They're intended to be a holding brake that prevents the cart from rolling off when in use or not in use. The other type of style we have is a face contact brake, where the brake pedal itself is over the face of the wheel. They've got 1.25 style, or actually smaller than 1.25. We've got 1.25 wide wheels, and we also have this in our universal brake with our 2-inch wheels that can be used. Same thing here is the pedal is activated, presses down against the top of the wheel to hold it. We do have field installable brake kits also that can be used in this face contact brake style. And then last one I want to show you here today is actually it's a form of a face contact brake, but it's also a total lock. When activated, it not only locks the wheel from rolling, it does also prevent the swivel from moving also. So it is more of a positive style brake, which is nice to prevent the cart from rolling around when activated. You can take just a single brake and so forth, and you can still get the swivel to rotate around, allowing for some movement in your cart even when the brake is applied. Now, with our total lock brakes, one of the main things to consider when doing is how you're actually moving the cart around. You may be pushing the cart or pulling the cart. In this example, if you're typically pushing the cart and want the brake pedal towards you, you would want a trailing edge brake. So if you're pushing the cart, the brake's always there, not underneath the cart. A couple things to think of. You can also have leading edge brake. So in this situation, if you're always pushing the cart this way and you also want to brake on the opposite end, you could have a trailing edge brake on one end and a leading edge brake on the opposite end, so the activating pedal is always out and exposed to the operator using the cart. This is a short, quick video of just a couple of the styles of brake kits that we have to offer here at B&C. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for future videos to come.